Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 12S Pro and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and then we have to scroll down to find additional settings. Tap on languages and input and tap on languages. As you can see, we've been transferred to the list of available languages from which we can choose, so basically all you have to do is to find one and tap on it. As you can see, it will be immediately applied, so from now on the whole system, the whole menu will be in the chosen language. Let me show it to you again, English, in my case of course, and as you can see, it has been applied. So that's quite easy in this device. So basically that's all. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.